Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to create a manual sponsored product campaign step by step. We will also cover what ad groups are, the different match types, how to set daily budget, and how to choose the right bidding strategy. So by the end of this video, you will know how to build high converting campaigns with full control. So let's start with the basics. What is the manual campaign? Unlike auto campaigns where Amazon decides which keywords to target, in manual campaigns, you choose the keyword yourself. So this gives you full control over how your ads appear, control over which search terms you want to rank for, and the ability to set your own bids per keyword. This is where your keyword research comes into play, especially if you have used Keyword Master from our last video. Let's go to the Seller Central and click the blue Create Campaign button here. So now select Sponsor Product as a campaign type. So we will start by creating our first ad group, but before we do that, let's understand what an ad group is. So an ad group is like a folder inside your campaign that holds a group products you want to advertise and the keywords or target options you will use for those products. So you can have multiple ad groups inside one campaign. This helps you to stay organized, especially if you are advertising different product variations or want to test different keyword strategies. Hey, real quick, if at any point during this course you feel like this process is overwhelming or you just don't have time to do it all yourself, don't worry, we have got your back. We have a full powerhouse team of Amazon PPC specialists who live and breathe ads all the day, every day. With over 1,000 plus successful clients and campaigns managed in almost every category on Amazon, who have helped brands just like yours grow faster and more profitable. You can click the link below to book a completely free PPC audit with our team. We will analyze your account, show you what's working and what needs to fix. No string attached. And if you find our services helpful, hopefully, we will get the chance to work together and help to grow your business even more. Let's create a name or ad group, something clear and simple. For example, SP Fake Book Exact here. And in the product section, choose the product you want to advertise. You can search it by name and paste the ASIN. So next step is targeting section. So make sure you choose manual targeting. After that, select keyword targeting. This means we will target specific keywords that we already researched rather than targeting product or categories. So now let's talk about match type briefly so you know exactly what you are working with. So number one is broad match. Your ad may appear for searches containing your keyword in any order with extra words. For example, fake book may trigger ads for the searches like elastic fake book for shelf decor or hidden storage fake book for living room. So phrase match is the keyword must appear in the same order with in the search. For example, wooden fake book set for 3, and in the last exact match. Your ad only shows when someone searches your exact keywords or very close variation. So for this campaign, we will only want to focus on exact match because we want full control and better conversions rates. So go ahead and uncheck the broad here and uncheck phrase. Only keep exact selected. So now it's time to add our keywords, but here is something important. Only 5 keywords you should add per campaign. So why is that? Because this keeps you campaign clear and let you clearly track with the keywords are performing. So here I'm going to pick 5 keywords from our Keyword Master tool. So by the way, if you have not watched my video on keyword research, go check that first. I have explained everything step by step and gave away our Keyword Master tool completely free. So get back to the video now. Paste your exact 5 match keywords into the keyword input section. Make sure each keywords is on a separate line here. So next to each keyword, set your default bid. Amazon might suggest a range based on competition. Start with the moderate bids. If you have a small budget, go for the lower end of the suggest range. So you can always increase the bid later once the campaign starts performing. So next step is under bidding strategy. Select dynamic bids down only. This means Amazon will reduce your bid if unluckily to convert, helping you to avoid overspending. It's safest option when starting out. So you can also experiment with dynamic up and down or fixed bids later, but down only gives you better cost control in the beginning. So the next step is scroll down to the placement adjustments here. You can set bids increase if you want your ad to show up at the top of the search page or product page. So these are optional. So you can leave them at 0% to start and analyze the performance later in your placement reports. So next step is campaign setting. So it gives your campaign a clear name like SP Fakebook Exact. Set a start date. You can choose today and set your daily budget between $30 to $100 depending on how much you are ready to spend. So for beginners, we recommend starting around $30 per day. This gives enough data without risking too much. So next step is double checking everything: your product, keywords, bids, and budget. So then click launch campaign. Your ad is now live. It may take few hours for Amazon to start delivering impression. To sum it up, we created a manual sponsored product campaign, build a separate ad group with one match type, enter or target keywords, set bids and choose a bidding strategy, define a daily budget and launch a campaign. So now repeat this process for broad and phrase match types using separate ad group. That way you will full control and scale your ads based on what performs best. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to dive into product targeting and I will walk you through how to create a sponsored product targeting campaign step by step. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on powerful Amazon PPC strategies. See you in the next video.